I will design and develop a professional, eye-catching, modern, and fully responsive WordPress website for you. Our goal with your new or redesigned website is to persuade site visitor to take action with you to take that plan next step you have to them. Client satisfaction is my main aim. My services include latest WordPress installation and setup, WordPress design and develop, security included, PSD to WordPress, SEO optimized site, premium SEO plugins, fully responsive WordPress website, mobile friendly, premium themes, demo installation, 100% satisfaction guaranteed, free future maintenance, max 30 days free maintenance, WordPress customization and WordPress speed optimization, mobile support, custom login. Why choose me? Quality and client satisfaction guarantee, effective communication skills. Let's create an elegant business website together. Please contact to discuss your ideas before placing the order. Thank you.